Hello, welcome to the guided tour of the web pages that we will use in support of this course. You're looking at the home page of our course, 471, and on the left-hand side are all of your main menu choices. You have a syllabus here that you can, of course, access at any time. You have the calendar for the course. And this course is pretty simple. Every 2 weeks on Mondays, you have a module due. And you can click into, whenever it's green, you can see that you can click right into that module and it gets you to the to-do list here, and so on and so forth. Going over here at left again, we've got the coffee shop where we can be social. You do have an assignment early on in the course to introduce yourself in the coffee shop here, but certainly we can use this all semester long to post announcements, or if you know of any exciting events on campus or off campus that somehow relate to the course material, we can post them in the coffee shop. We've got a guided tour here of the syllabus, and then we finally have Module A. We will have modules A through G here, again one due every 2 weeks, and each module has a little introduction and then a to-do list. So and you just go through the to-do list. You've got 2 weeks to do each module, and for instance in this one you'll be having a chance to view an introductory PowerPoint here on 471 on how the class works. You'll do a task to introduce yourself in the coffee shop. You'll have another task here. There's some reading to do, another 2 tasks here, and some reading to do. And you can click anything that's green, you can click right into and get to the assignment that is right there. It'll give you all the details. And then you can go back to Module A and keep on working on that to-do list. Every module is a bit different. There are typically readings to do, often online lectures to listen to, papers to write, threaded discussions to participate in, journal entries to make, and so on. When we get down to Module F, you will have a transition exam, and you'll be able to click right into that exam and click there and take it. It's basically a multiple choice or short answer type of exam, and you'll be well prepared for it by the time you get to Module F. It is based in large part on one of the books that we'll be reading, and it will serve you well to prepare you for the MTTC. And then finally in Module G, you have more reading to do, another task, and you'll have, this is where the transition plan comes into play. It's a case study activity that you'll be doing on a student named Jeff, and you'll be preparing his summary of performance for his transition plan. Looking at the top menu options, they are the usual that EMU Online makes available to us. Gradebook here, you can follow your grades, you can email the whole class or just whoever you want from the class here. Doc sharing, you will be referred to doc sharing once in a while and asked to download some documents to work on. There's some items that are going to go in the Dropbox once you've completed them. You have a journal here that you'll be able to post entries. That's more informal writing just between me and you. And you'll have a bibliography here that has some interesting links. There is your tech support information here, and they are very good, by the way, so don't hesitate to use them. All right, that's about it. So really what you need to do is take a look at the syllabus, um, do the guided tour of the syllabus if you haven't done so already, pop into the calendar and maybe put those dates on your own personal calendar, and then jump into Module A. Let's get started.